In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book stays in Booking.com. Start by opening the Booking.com website. At the top of the page, choose the stays option so you're specifically searching for places to sleep, like hotels, apartments, and guest houses. In the main search bar, type your destination. As you enter the city or area, Booking.com will suggest matches. Pick the one that best fits where you want to go. Next, set your travel dates. Click the check-in field to open the calendar, select your arrival date, then choose your checkout date. Make sure these are accurate because availability and pricing depend on them. Now indicate how many guests are traveling with you. This helps the site show rooms that can actually accommodate your group. When everything looks right, hit search. Your results page will load with all the properties that match your criteria. Take a moment to scan through the options. You can glance at the star ratings, guest reviews, and brief amenity highlights. When a place catches your eye, click into it, or select See Availability to dive deeper. On the property page, browse through the photos to get a feel for the rooms and facilities. Photos often include the lobby, breakfast area, bathroom, and different room layouts, which can help you confirm if the space meets your needs. Then scroll down to the availability section. In the Select Rooms area, open the drop-down to choose how many rooms you need for your group. Once you've set the quantity, click I'll reserve to move forward. You'll now be on the booking form. Enter your details so the property knows who's arriving and how to contact you about your stay. Before proceeding, review the room details you selected. Double-check the room type, the bed configuration, the cancellation policy, any payment notes, and whether taxes or fees are included or due at the property. If you have preferences, add them in special requests, things like a high floor, a quiet room, or accessibility needs. Use simple, clear language so the property can understand and do their best to accommodate, then provide your check-in details, such as your estimated arrival time. This is especially useful if you expect to get there late, so the property can plan accordingly. When everything looks good, click. Next, final details to continue. That's it. The core flow for finding a place, reviewing what it offers, reserving the right room count, and submitting the information the property needs. Follow these steps and you'll be set for a smooth booking on Booking.com.